Okay, in this segment we're going to cover removing the hoses and clamps, and there's also a ground cable, and that's the last of the items that will be necessary to give us accessibility to the valve cover so we can pull it off. The hose back here is part of the crankcase ventilation system, and it consists of a basic spring type clamp and rubber hose. So we're just going to release that by squeezing it, sliding it down the hose. Then we'll remove the hose. The other item we need to take care of is this accessory ground cable that goes from the engine itself to the body of the vehicle. And that provides a backup ground for the engine because the engine's mounted on rubber mounts. Okay, first with the hose, we'll just clamp that together with a pair of pliers, and we'll just gently slide the hose off and push it down under so it stays out of the way. And then we're going to need a 10 millimeter socket or wrench to remove this negative ground cable. And I'm just going to break it free, and I'll remove it by hand. Once we take the cable off, I'm going to go ahead and leave the nut off because that's going to be necessary to remove the valve cover anyways. And that gets everything out of our way that blocks our accessibility to the valve cover. So please watch our next segment on removing the upper timing belt cover.